The small, commonly available metal cutting horizontal bandsaw that is in wide use has no provision for providing cutting fluid to the workpiece and blade. The simple-to-make drip oiler shown in this video provides a reasonable flow of lubrication during the sawing process, extending blade life and decreasing the load on the motor. The drip oiler is constructed from a few readily available, inexpensive components and requires no modification of the bandsaw itself. The oil reservoir is simply an empty plastic spice bottle with a hole drilled in the bottom to accept a small hose barb or fitting. A cheap air control valve from an aquarium or pet store provides a means for turning the flow of oil on or off. A piece of plastic tubing with a slit in the end directs the oil onto the blade, which in turn carries the lubrication to the workpiece. The reservoir and valve assembly are clamped to the mounting bracket with a hose clamp, and the bracket itself is just a piece of suitably bent 1/8 inch aluminum. The bracket is supported by the same bolt that clamps the blade guide assembly in place. Here you see how the tubing straddles the blade. This ensures that the oil gets onto the blade and not onto the floor. When the valve is opened, oil starts to flow. With the saw not running, the drip rate of the oil may be seen. When the blade moves, of course, it carries the oil into the saw kerf. It's important to remember to turn off the flow of oil after the saw cut is complete. Otherwise, you will have a mess on your hands. I think you'll find this drip oiler to be an easy to make and effective addition to your saw. Thanks for watching.